Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing video. Checking out these copper infused wrist straps here. So if you ever had like wrist pain before, not a lot of fun. I have smaller wrists, so I've hurt my wrist before, and a nice wrap on there really seems to help out. So this has a nice thumb hole right here. Okay, that's that way. Looks like it's just comfort, goes right around there. And this has a nice elastic feel to it right there. Really good support on the wrist. And you can adjust how much pressure you want. Obviously you don't want it too tight, but strong Velcro on there, not slipping or anything like that. And you can see the inner material here is like, you can see holes all the way through there. So it's a breathable, it's like a foam, and it's like stretchy material here, but doesn't feel like too hot. Some wraps or whatever get pretty warm, but that's easy to put on and feels pretty good. This are supposed to have copper with these. So copper has some anti-inflammation benefits. The study's still out as far as it being working through infused materials or whatever, but interesting idea. And there's that, looks pretty nice. I don't know if you're like weightlifting too. A lot of guys like some nice extra wrist things on there just to help out with really heavy weights. So something like this would just kind of wrap your wrist and give that added stability that you need is pretty cool. So yeah, they're comfortable. They're not really in the way of anything, and I can really feel that like support right there. So pretty nice little wrist straps here, my friends. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.